Hi friends, I'm so excited to show you this. This is a jewelry and comes in this small box. If you need give a gift, this box is ready to give them. I want to show you this. It's a jewelry with butterflies. It's called them enchanting. This is a necklace, the earrings, and this is a bracelet. So look this. We're gonna open it. Oh, so beautiful. See, so easy to put with this secure. The other one, you can use it every day or for a party. Now the necklace right here. Is the same butterflies that the earrings, and you can use this to adjust the size. So look at that. And finally the bracelet. This is a big butterfly. Ready. And see this. The necklace, the earrings, and the bracelet. It's beautiful, isn't it? I highly recommend this jewelry. See you.